Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix verification required error in the App Store. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is add a payment method. If you have never installed an application with your Apple ID, you will need to add a payment method. This is mandatory whether the application is free or paid. For this, open the Settings app. Next, tap on your Apple ID. Then go to Payment and Shipping. Next, tap on Add a Payment Method. Enter your details and you are done. And the next step is remove faulty payment methods. If the verification required App Store message has started popping up recently, the current payment method may be culprit. This can happen if your credit or debit card has expired or the billing address has changed. For this, navigate to Settings and then select your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. Next, tap on the Edit option in the top right corner of the screen. Remove any faulty payment method by selecting the minus sign next to it and then confirm by tapping on Remove. And you are done. And the next step is update your subscription. Your subscription might not be proceed if your payment method does not have sufficient funds. Triggering the verification required App Store error, you will need to either add funds or cancel the subscription to resolve the issue. For this, open the Settings app. Next, access your Apple ID. Select Media and Purchases. Choose View Account. Look for the purchase history and tap it to see any unpaid apps or subscription. If you discover hidden purchases, select hidden purchases under the Downloads and Purchases section. Simply tap Unhide next to any subscription to wish to reveal and then add funds to your preferred payment method to settle the subscription fees. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you set screen time restrictions. Your screen time settings might be prompting the App Store to request verification for purchases during installation. For this, open Settings and navigate to Screen Time. Tap on it. Scroll down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then choose iTunes and App Store Purchases. And choose Installing Apps. And tap on Allow. Go back and make sure installing, deleting and in-app purchases are selected to allow, and you are done. And the next step is re-sign into your Apple ID. If the verification required pop-up persists, there may be an issue with your Apple ID or an app glitch. A simple fix is to log out and then log back into your account. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and choose your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose Sign Out option. And it will ask you to enter your password. So enter your password and then sign out and follow the same steps to sign back into your Apple ID and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix the verification required error in the App Store, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.